How to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To buy Bitcoin using Trust Wallet, open up Trust Wallet here and just go ahead and then basically log into the account. Right when you're on the home page, you'll find the buy option right at the top, so you can just tap the buy option there, and then from here you'll be able to see different sort of coins. But since we're learning to buy Bitcoin, I'm going to select BTC by default. Now I can just enter the US dollars worth of Bitcoin that I want to buy. So if I want to buy 1500 US dollars worth of Bitcoin, I can select that. I can tap the buy with credit card or other options that are available for me to buy and purchase the cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. This way I can buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.